The light switch technique, a method to quickly and easily induce self-hypnosis. Warning: do not operate machinery or any motor vehicle while listening to this video or while in a trance state. This video is not intended to replace professional hypnotherapy or therapy of any kind. This is not a hypnotherapy session. The purpose of this video is to teach practitioners to induce a self-hypnotic state. In actuality, all hypnosis is self-induced, but some people may find that hypnosis can be more easily induced with guidance from a professional. Self-hypnosis is about having control over yourself, and the light switch technique is a tool to help you do that quickly and easily. Being in a trance state has many benefits, including inducing sleep, reducing stress and anxiety, reducing heart rate, lowering blood pressure, and calming the nervous system. Being in a highly relaxed, calm state also allows you to be more patient, and because you feel safe, positive suggestive statements can be better received by your subconscious. When beginning, the light switch technique is best practiced for a duration of 1 minute while you are in a loud, busy place, such as riding transit or while waiting in line. Personalize your practice by going to different levels of relaxation and trance each time you practice. Tell your subconscious mind at the beginning of your practice how deep and how long you want your trance to be. Now, let's begin. Ask your subconscious mind to tell you when a minute is up, and do not think about it while in your trance. Begin by relaxing your body. Shake out and release any tension or tightness until you feel that your body is loose and soft. Now that you are relaxed, choose a physical cue or anchor. This can be a tapping of your index finger, a tapping of your foot, a squeezing of your forearm, or any small physical movement that can represent the turning on and off of a switch or a dial. Now, imagine that there is a light switch. This light switch is connected to all of the different parts of your body. When you tap your finger to turn off the switch, the body part that you were thinking about becomes physically numb. Now, each time you tap your finger, imagine in your mind that you are descending downwards. You could be walking down an endless staircase, an elevator, or an escalator. You can also imagine a braided rope unraveling, or a pebble drifting slowly through the water, or a high-rise building at night switching off of its lights floor by floor while you systematically numb parts of your body. Keep tapping and relaxing different parts of your body, entering deeper and deeper levels of relaxation in your mind while tensing and releasing parts of your body. Begin by feeling the soles of your feet. Tap your finger. Tense and release your feet. Tap again. Tense and release your lower legs. Tap your finger and turn off the switch to your lower body. Tense and release your quads and glutes. Tap again. Tense and release the muscles around your hips and pelvis. Tense and release your lower to abdomen. Tap your finger to tense and release your stomach. Now, tap to switch off your ribs and chest. Tap again, tense and release your upper body. It is relaxed and soft. Everything is numb. Finally, switch off your arms. Tense and release your hands and shoulders. Tap to tense and release your neck and back. Release any tightness and imagine imagine your muscles soft, becoming numb. Continue to tap to bring yourself down to a more relaxed state until your whole body is fully relaxed. While in a trance, try to think of your favorite place, how it feels, the smells, the sounds. If nothing comes to you, it's okay. Just enjoy this moment of deep relaxation. When you are more experienced, you can use this trance state to introduce positive suggestions to yourself, like you love your body and you promise to take care of yourself. When you are ready, turn on the light switch to bring your body back out of a relaxed state and to come out of trance. With practice, over time, you will be able to quickly and easily control your ability to enter trance state so that you can more easily induce sleep for yourself and enjoy all of the physical and mental benefits of being deeply relaxed and in control. May peace be with you.